The first thing I'd like to do is thank you very much for getting in touch with us. Thanks for taking the time to fill in the form online or to give us a phone call in connection with your case. At this stage we can't give you anything that's case specific, so our advice is not specific to your case at this moment. But what we can give you is some general advice. We can give you a PDF or an ebook in relation to this type of case that's affecting you, and hopefully you'll be able to have a read through that and then make an informed decision about whether you want to go forward with the defence of your case. If you do, then hopefully you'll come back to us and get a case specific analysis of your situation so that we can tell you the pros and cons of what to do in connection with your case and whether to go forward and defend it. We'll weigh up the costs against the benefits with you. We'll give you an idea of where you stand and the chances of success. As you'll have seen from our website, we do win a high proportion of our cases, and we do have a very good track record, so presumably that's why you've sought us out. But in the first instance, you've got some decisions to make about whether it's worth funding your case and whether it's worth spending the time and the effort in relation to your case. Undertaking a criminal trial is a serious matter. It involves a fair amount of time, it involves a significant amount of expense, so it's not something that you should consider lightly. So we'll give you some general information at the moment with this email. Hopefully you'll be able to go through that and then come back to us if you decide that yes, you do want to go forward with this case and you are interested in defending yourself in relation to this matter. Now bear in mind that in relation to these cases you may find that there's funding available to you quite often through your home contents insurance policy. So check out the home contents insurance policy and you might find that there's a section there called legal protection cover, and that the insurance company are in a position to meet your legal costs in this case. So have a look at that. If you want any assistance with it, please come back to us on that and we'll do what we can for you. Sometimes insurance companies tell you that you can only go on the recommendation of their own firm, or can only be dealt with by a firm that is on their panel. That's not entirely true. The fact is that in relation to a criminal case, you can decide who you want to instruct, and if you want to instruct a specialist firm like our own, then you're able to do that. So whilst we're not on the panel of any particular firm or insurance company, we have acted for all of the major insurance companies in the UK. So there will be no difficulty with instructing us if you want to do that. So please come back to us if you want to go down that route. Equally, our cases are generally privately funded. We don't deal with legal aid at all, so please bear in mind that if you can't afford to meet a private fee in relation to your case, then you will have to seek alternative representation. But we may well be able to advise you the type of firm to go to that's in your area, so please don't feel averse to getting back in touch with us and we'll try to point you in the right direction. And the Law Society of Scotland also have a website and they can point you in the direction of a local firm who should be able to assist you with that. But in the meantime, I just want to say thank you very much for getting in touch. Hopefully the general information will give you a good idea of what we can do for you and what you can do in relation to this case, and we can help you with your case and help you win your case.